Have you ever experienced the abrupt closure of a door in your face, only to realize later that it was the best thing that could have happened to you? Today, we delve into the skill of reversing rejection, drawing inspiration from the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Picture a world where every no doesn't push you down, but propels you forward. Rejection, typically carrying a sting, can become a stepping stone to greatness. It's not about outsmarting fate, but understanding that sometimes a universe's no is a concealed yes to something greater. In this video, we unpack 5 practical lessons inspired by Stoicism that guide you in harnessing the power of rejection. These are not mere theories, but real-world strategies applicable to your daily life. Before we start, let's ensure that this valuable insight reaches a broad audience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay connected and not miss any empowering content. Now let's begin. Number 1. Don't react emotionally. Maintaining emotional composure is crucial in the face of rejection. While the pain of being dismissed may tempt you to unleash your emotions, the Stoics offer a secret weapon: calmness. Instead of succumbing to frustration or sadness, this ancient Greek philosophy encourages a composed, thoughtful response. It's not about suppressing feelings, but refusing to let them dictate your reactions. When ignored, rather than getting upset or seeking validation, take a step back. Ask yourself why the situation is bothering you. Often it's not the rejection itself, but underlying insecurities. Here's where practicality comes in. When ignored, breathe and reflect. Understand that this moment doesn't define you, it's just that, a moment. Stoicism teaches focusing on your actions and responses, not on others' behavior. Stay polite and kind. If you choose to reach out, do so with genuine concern, not expectation. This approach isn't about passivity, it's about mastering your emotions. Recognize that your self-worth isn't tied to others' approval. Your power lies in how you respond, not in how others treat you. A game changer. Adopting this mindset isn't easy but transformative. Mastering calmness in the face of rejection isn't just handling a tough situation, it's growth. It's learning that inner peace doesn't depend on external validation. It's a journey towards self-confidence, where you independently value yourself. This demonstrates real strength and resilience, making you incredibly attractive. People are drawn to those who are self-assured, who don't crumble at the first sign of indifference. By staying calm, you're not just coping, you're thriving. You become someone who can face rejection and turn it into a stepping stone for personal growth. That's the Stoic way. Number 2, demonstrate your value. While rejection may be painful, consider it a litmus test for your resilience. Instead of succumbing to its weight, see it as an opportunity to showcase your grit. The next time you're sidestepped in a meeting or overlooked for a promotion, take a breath. Instead of indulging in self-pity or bitterness, channel that energy into constructive action. Engage in projects that highlight your skills or offer to lead a new initiative. Your value isn't diminished by others' oversights. It's a chance to shine even brighter. Undeterred by the shadows of dismissal, remember the adage, when one door closes, another opens. It's not just idle talk, it's a blueprint for action. Rejection isn't a reflection of your worth, it's a redirection to where you're needed more. If passed over for a role, maybe it's the universe nudging you towards something that aligns better with your talents and passions. Use this as a catalyst to reassess and realign. Identify your core strengths and pivot to make the most of them, crafting your success story where setbacks pave the way for comebacks. This isn't about masking disappointment with a smile, it's about embracing the full spectrum of emotions and moving forward with grace. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and reactions. When faced with rejection, practice empathy for yourself and others. That colleague who overlooked you may be battling their own insecurities. Extend understanding not as a weakness, but as a testament to your strength. Number 3, prove them wrong. Mastering the art of handling rejection goes beyond disproving others. It's about proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. It involves turning no into fuel for personal growth. Suppose someone doubts your abilities in a specific skill or task. In that case, seize the opportunity to sharpen that skill, not for their approval but to surpass your own limits. Dive deep into learning, practice relentlessly, and showcase a level of proficiency that even surprises yourself. This isn't about a grand reveal to doubters, it's about quietly constructing a fortress of competence and self-assurance. Imagine the impact of your actions rather than words. There's no need to announce your plans or progress. Let your results speak. If labeled as uncreative, embark on a project that showcases your creativity. If deemed uncommitted, let your consistent actions be your response. This silent revolution of self-improvement isn't a battle against others' perceptions, but a crusade for personal excellence. When you change, the world's narrative about you shifts too. The true essence of proving others wrong lies not in changing their opinions, but in transforming your own self-image. Your journey of self-improvement will not only surprise others, but also redefine your understanding of your capabilities. This isn't just about proving them wrong, it's about redefining what right means to you. In this journey, the greatest victory is the realization that the only validation that truly matters is the one you give yourself. Number 4, build your social status. Picture yourself in a room nearly invisible, seemingly ignored. Yet within this apparent neglect lies a concealed opportunity. Stoicism guides us to transform such moments of rejection into catalysts for personal growth. Rather than seeking external validation, redirect your focus towards self-enhancement and community involvement. This isn't about ascending a social ladder, it's about ascending your own ladder of self-development. Activities like physical fitness, exploring hobbies, or advancing in your career aren't mere tasks. They are your tools for sculpting a stronger, more resilient self. Consider sharing your journey, not for applause, but for genuine connection. When discussing your interests or achievements, let it serve as a bridge to connect with others who resonate with your story. This isn't a strategy to amass followers, it's a sincere attempt to find like-minded souls. Through volunteering or networking, you're not just adding lines to your resume, you're weaving a tapestry of meaningful relationships. Rooted in Stoic philosophy, this approach intertwines personal growth with contributing to the greater good. Building your social status requires a paramount intention. It's not a quest for popularity, but a journey towards becoming a better version of yourself. Each step you take should be a stride towards improvement, creating a ripple effect that enhances the community. Number 5, don't reveal your struggle. When faced with being ignored, the temptation to openly display your struggles can be overwhelming. However, Stoicism imparts the art of maintaining composure. It's not about pretending everything is fine, rather, it's about internal resilience. Demonstrating that you're unaffected isn't a charade. It's a genuine reflection of true inner stability. Continue with your life with the same vigor and determination as before. It's not a performance for others, but a testament to your own strength. This approach doesn't involve denying your feelings. Acknowledge them, but don't let them take control. Let calmness and self-assurance be your guides. Focus on controlling what you can, your actions, responses, and demeanor. By persisting in your life with confidence, you're not just showcasing strength to others, you're also reinforcing it within yourself. It's a subtle yet powerful way of asserting that your sense of self-worth is independent of others' opinions or actions. In essence, by not revealing your struggle, you're embracing the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience. This isn't about concealing your emotions, it's about managing them in a way that upholds your dignity and self-respect. It's a demonstration of wisdom and integrity, showing that you are grounded in your own character and not swayed by external circumstances. Your response in the face of rejection isn't just for the world to see. It's a mirror reflecting your own fortitude and stability. Together, we've navigated the intricacies of reverse psychology, unveiling 13 potent lessons on turning rejection into a tool for your success. Remind yourself that Every no encountered is a stepping stone toward building resilience. A valuable lesson in Stoicism urging us to tap into our inner strength. Now, I encourage you to integrate these insights into your everyday experiences. Embrace rejection not as a setback, but as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. If you liked this video, please consider checking out this video.